Good morning. Yes, hello. Good morning, my lovely people. Hope you're doing fine wherever you're watching from. Well, in today's tutorial, actually, if it's your first time to log into this platform, I welcome you. And wherever you're going to be watching from, I want you to get ready because in a few minutes we are going to be beginning our class. And the major objective of today's lesson, we are going to learn how to install WordPress in Xampp Localhost on Windows. In most cases, I've gotten this question. People have been asking me, Sharif, what software do you use in designing websites? And like I told you, you're also going to witness with WordPress, less coding is required. So even if you don't have any knowledge on the coding language, but you have the zeal to understand and to get money online, the procedures I'm going to show you, they will help you in your initial stages of laying the foundation towards development of nice and appealing responsive websites. So as I'm waiting for people to join, those who are online, you can get your laptop in case you have a laptop. Yes, just get out your laptop, then we begin the initial stages of preparation, because whatever we are going to learn, it is practical, and the softwares I'm going to show you, you cannot run them without having a what? A computer or a laptop. So in case you don't have a computer or a laptop, you can borrow from a friend, because the skill you're going to learn today, actually, if you master it very well before the end of this month, God willing, in case you get a client, you'll be able to facilitate yourself to just buy that simple laptop or desktop you can think of. So that is the assurance I can give you, because with these digital skills, market is everywhere. So today, if you have a book, because most of the times the things we discuss, I usually have guys, they send me messages requesting for the notes. So I urge you, if you have somewhere to write, it's better you, why don't you get that book, then we'll try to write down these simple guides, because These guides are going to help you so our main topic today is we are looking at how to install WordPress in localhost on Windows, Windows 10, Windows 7, 11, name it. So the steps that we're going to look at, they are the usual steps that we usually follow, and I'm just waiting for the numbers to increase such that I can begin, because I don't want us to begin then we get questions from other people asking, Sharif, can you repeat this, do this? But like I usually tell you, these tutorials, they're on my channel. In case you miss out something on this live presentation, you can go to my channel and try to peruse through. I made some compilation because that's my objective, to say that at least everyone out there can get something on, can try to earn money online. Because with these digital skills, wherever you are, you can provide the service. And the service you're going to provide, let's say you're going to be designing a website, like I'm going to show you. One, it doesn't benefit you, but also the person you're going to design a website for. Because, truth to be said, you can also witness, nowadays things are online, and people have no time to run down the shops, run down to go see the items they want or the services they need to buy. They just log on to online websites, then they can order, they can buy the services. So my brother, my sister who is watching, and you haven't yet published your business, or you have a friend who has a mega business but it doesn't have a website, I think in this era it is unacceptable. So you have a, do you have, let me just ask you this simple question. You have a friend, or in the list of friends that you have, if they have businesses, sell them this idea, introduce to them, because you know, at times we may think that this information is well known to everyone, but some cases you need to introduce the concept to someone, and if the concept is really working, because like I told you, if you're going to design a very good and appealing responsive website, trust me, that business you're going to design it for, it will be able to get the results. So I urge you not to sit down on your skills, your knowledge. Don't lose hope. This video that you're going to see, or on this live that you're going to, the skills and the ideas I'm going to share with you, they're going to help you to upscale your digital skills. And the things we're going to look at, they are practical. Yes, being practical, it doesn't mean that they are not doable. Because if I can do it, why not you? So I think I'm seeing the numbers, they have increased. And for my friends who haven't yet subscribed, I urge you to subscribe to my YouTube channel such that this video can get a high rank in the search algorithm. So I think let us begin. If you have gotten your seat and if you have somewhere to sit, that is very good. So let me first actually show you what we're going to be doing, because some of you out there, you may be asking yourself, Sheriff, you're telling us website, installing localhost, installing WordPress in Xampp server. What is it? The moment you install the WordPress files and Xampp server, you're going to be able to come up with such nice and appealing websites. And trust me, with web designing, we have numerous types of websites. I think you've heard of e-commerce websites, travel and tour websites, name it. Because a website in this era is needed by every business. Okay, as our files are still loading, I think for you to install WordPress files, we are going now. I think let's begin our main objective. For you to install the WordPress websites, the first thing that you have to do, you go online. And I know some of you may ask, how do I go online? Okay, if you have a browser on your computer, you open that browser. It may be Chrome, it may be Explorer, any browser that you have. Then you're going in the search, you're going to type in WordPress. Just type in WordPress. You type in WordPress download. So once you type in WordPress download, as you're seeing here, it's going to display this link. Actually, the first link is going to be www.wordpress.org. So this is our main or major website where you can get these WordPress files. So you're going to click on this link. When you click on the link, this is what you must be seeing. So this is our main website for WordPress. So what you need to get on, now you click on download WordPress, this volume 6.82. so it's going to display this alert message, and once it displays this message, up here it automatically starts the download, as you can see. So it is now downloading the WordPress files. And usually these files are not that big, so it depends on how fast your internet is, because the download may take around maybe 1 minute. Yeah, and once the files are downloaded, I will show you what will be done next. So this is how you're able to get your WordPress files. And after downloading the WordPress files, if you have to go back to our lesson for today, we are going to install WordPress and Xampp Localhost or Xampp server. So for you to get the Xampp server, still you're going to go to your browser, then you type in Xampp, download. So when you type in Xampp download, it's going to display this. So the first link, it is www.apachefriends.org. So this is our main or major website where you can download Xampp. So this is our Xampp, and as you can see, we have various versions for Xampp 8.03, as you're able to see. So depending on the type of operating system you have, if you have OS X, if you have Linux, so if you have a 64-bit, I have a 64-bit, so I'm going to download this first one. So if you want to download it, you just click on what? Download. Once you click on download, our download is going to do what? It will start downloading what? Automatically. So yeah, so Xampp is downloading, and WordPress is also downloading. Actually, I know now you're asking, Sharif, what is Xampp server? Let's just read here. Xampp server is completely free. So it's Xampp server. It's an open source software, and Xampp server, it contains MariaDB database, PHP, and Parallel. It is an open source package software, and it's easy to install. In brief, that what I can tell you about Xampp server. But if you need to know more about this Xampp server, as you can see on their website, you can go and read about the About Us, such that you get to know about the founders, when it was implemented, things like that. But for today, I'm not going to go into detail about that. Okay, so I don't want us to forget our main objective. Remember, we promised ourselves that today we are going to learn how to install WordPress in Xampp Localhost. And if you're online and you haven't yet liked this live, please go ahead and like, such that it reaches out to a vast number of people. Thank you so much. And for those who haven't yet subscribed to my channel, kindly please subscribe to the channel, such that you don't miss out on every video that I'll be uploading. So we have seen how to install and how to download the WordPress files. We have also seen how to download the Xampp server. So what's going to be next? The next objective that you're going to do, we're going to look at the installation part. The installation part, it is like a normal installation for any software. So let me just take you through the process of installation. So these are my downloaded files. I think you're able to see them. This is Xampp. Sorry, this is a WordPress file, and this is Xampp server. So for me to install these, you just go ahead, do what, and right click. Oh, 1 minute. I'm seeing here a message from one of my friends is saying we cannot see anything. So I think let me try to do this. I just wanted to show you something, but I think it won't be possible. But with a normal installation, I did a video on how to install this Xampp server. So you can go and see the previous videos that I made, because here the software is not allowing me to show you the installation. So once you have installed the Xampp server, now you have to go ahead and do what? And install WordPress. So for me to install WordPress, first of all, for you to install WordPress, you need to it is very easy. What you do, you go to, let me show you these steps because I don't want you to miss any. Allow me to go to my channel because I don't know what has happened to my software. It is failing to capture my screen, but worry not, I've got that video on my channel. So this is my channel, Lole Sharif. It is the names of Lole Sharif. For those who haven't yet subscribed, I urge you to do the subscription. It is for free. of charge. The subscription is free of charge. And once you subscribe, you'll be the first one to receive notification on all the videos that I'll be uploading. Okay, it is here. So this is what I'm trying to mean. So after downloading, as you can see, we are on my channel right now. Like I told you, the video is available. I've already downloaded the Xampp server. The WordPress is installing also. So once the process of installation is done, you'll find these files in your what? In your download, as you can see. So what you're going to do, you drag the WordPress files, you create a folder. For this case, I've named it new folder, and you have to create this folder in local disk C. So as you can see, I'm going to create my new folder, and after creating my new folder, I'm going to paste there my WordPress files. So after pressing there the zipped, remember it's zipped, so I have to unextract it. So once you unextract it, as you can see, so when you extract it, you have to go ahead and do what? And make sure that you name that particular what? That particular file. So right now, if let's say